Hey folks, this is the Chase Bay's E36 build with 1JZ VVTi. I drifted this car for years, probably thousands of drift miles at Road Atlanta, Mid Pond, Nashville Superspeedway, all over the Southeast. We developed a whole product line of E36 and E46 products on this car. Kind of built it as I went, so there was a lot of things I was unhappy with, and we've kind of raised the caliber of our builds. So we're going through, start to finish, making everything perfect. It's chalk gray inside, out, and under. We're redoing a lot of the suspension stuff. We changed to top mount, a Garrett GT3071R, and we're developing a few new Chase Bay's products. Tank to rail fuel line kit, front to rear brake line kit, a few more revisions and stuff, and we have a tight timeline. We have a Talladega Grand Prix rented out in I think 3 weeks, so we're really on a race to the finish here to get it done. It's really important that we test that day so we can move on to the next project. And I can turn it over to Brian for what the game plan is.
Yeah, so the sequence of events are going to work like this. We're going to get the driveline of the vehicle. Hunter has some fabrication to do. So get the entire driveline of the vehicle, make sure we see where everything lands. Then I'll start on suspension components, trying to put all that stuff together, pressing some bearings and whatnot. So tight timeline, but I don't see why we can't get this thing done in about 3 weeks.
And we have a lot of really cool one-off parts that don't exist anywhere else. Not necessarily from Chase Bay's, but maybe the Chase Bay's is going to be providing that we're really excited about. So we're just going to dive in.
That's it, we're done. I'm laughing.